Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add neon lights in a shape to create awesome wallpaper. Choose a photo and resize it using crop tool based on your own preferences. Here I enlarge the background of Viper and mask the blank background and use the content awareness to fill the blank space. Now set your brush tool to a hard brush and size depending on how thick you want your line to be. Use Ctrl+C to remove the touch you created while setting up your brush tool. Using pen tool, create a path for your shape. You can do some trial and error until you created your desired shape. Just press Ctrl+C to undo the shape you want to delete. After you created your desired shape, add a new layer, right-click on the path you created and choose Stroke Path, then Brush tool. Press Ctrl+T to resize the shape you created. After your desired shape is created, go to Blending option and choose your desired color in the color overlay. Next is in the inner glow and choose the rounded in contour. Next is outer glow. Choose again the color you want to glow. As for me, the light green color. And increase the size to 67px. And change the blend mode to linear dodge. Next, add some drop shadow and increase the size. Set your brush tool to a softer brush and increase the size. Now add another layer. Now use the pen tool to trace the shape you created and choose Stroke Path, then Brush tool. I organized this to neon color layer and put them in a group. Now click the original photo and click the Select and Subject. Now after the selection has been made, click the group of neon layer and create a layer mask. Double-click the layer mask to show the mask you created. And using the brush tool, trace the path of your shape again. Now create an adjustment layer, and choose Hue/Saturation. Adjust the saturation to max, and adjust the color to your desired choice. After you set your saturation and hue, go to blending option, and adjust this triangle up to the middle to blend the color you made. Add new layer and create some highlight on your subject using soft brush and adjust the fill to lower value. Now add another layer, and change your brush tool into a smoke shape. Next, set your foreground color to your desired color of effect. Here you can play with the smoke, and remove some by changing the foreground color to black to create your desired effect. Next is adjust your hue and saturation for the final touch. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the notification bell to notify you for the next videos. Thank you.